So today we're making Korean barbecue sandwiches. This is what the chicken looks like. Hi! Today I'm gonna film a cook with me because this was highly requested by a couple of you. So today we're making Korean barbecue sandwiches. It's one of my household's favorite. This is the recipe I'm using. It's from Joshua Weissman. Freaking love his recipes. My dad's currently downstairs sitting in the kitchen and I have anxiety when I'm filming, so we're gonna wait up here in my room. But I did clean the chicken and I'm prepping the marinade. It's just buttermilk and some salt. So once the buttermilk comes together, then I'm gonna pour it over the chicken. I'm using boneless and skinless chicken thighs. And then once that's done, I'm going to pour that in and let it sit in the refrigerator for about half an hour. It's like 6:10-ish, so that's the plan. And then afterwards, then I'm gonna start actually filming downstairs probably, because I don't want y'all seeing the raw chicken because it's nasty. But yeah, so that's the plan. So I hope y'all enjoy this video. Let's get into cooking. I think I'm gonna start with a montage, right? Y'all would appreciate a montage. Let's do that.
As any smart person would do, let's begin by getting sauced the up.
Currently cleaning up, and then I'm going to get the chicken out of the fridge and start frying. Alright, so before I actually fry them, I need to set up my plates so that after, because I fry them because you need to fry these twice so that they get their Korean texture. I'm not even sure the correct terminology, but essentially I'm gonna set up my plates, show you guys how I do that, and then we will get to frying. Okay, so when you're flouring these thighs, you're gonna want to make sure that you apply a very thin layer, but in every single nook and cranny. This will give a light flaky texture to the chicken so that when we fry it twice on medium heat, it will come out perfectly golden brown the second round. Okay, so like I said, we're only frying this once, not for color, not for cook-through, but just for a light flaky texture. I have one going on back there, which I'm about to flip. Okay, so as you can hear, I just threw my last piece of chicken in. So I'm going to clean up over here and get ready to do the second layer of frying so that I can pour the sauce on it in the end. Alright, round two. Clean up the workspace. I'm going to start and make the salad that goes in it. Alright, just put in a new batch and took these ones out. They're looking really good. I checked them. They are cooked. I'm so freaking excited. Okay, last piece of chicken is in. That's what we're looking like. Okay, I'm almost done with the chicken. I'm just browning the other side. But I did make this other salad. I posted this one before on the food Instagram. It's super simple and we're gonna use that in the sandwich as well. Almost done, and then it's time for assembly. Alright, chicken is done. It's assembly